Namaskar. Welcome to How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about that how to reset Airtel My Wi-Fi if a reset button is not working. As you can know, and as you know, and as you find that there is a reset button behind the cap of this Airtel My Wi-Fi device, but many times this get out of order or it's not work properly. Then we think that how we can easily reset the Wi-Fi password of our Airtel My Wi-Fi. Then how we can do and what we have to do, we are going to letting you all the detail. First of all, why we should reset these type of devices, because if you know that its password has been shared with many peoples, then it's very good for you that you reset this device and set up again. So how we can reset if the button is not working properly or out of order? Then first of all, we have to just go to our mobile, laptop, computer, wherever this Wi-Fi is already connected with your device, or you have to just connect that. If you don't know that how you can connect without the Wi-Fi password, please check out the video from the description below and from the I button over there. Now what we have to do and what we have to do is, first of all, connect this device with your laptop, computer, mobile. This process is gonna be same for all the devices. Now after that, go to internet browser, type 192.168.1.1 and type and press enter. And now as you can see, this device interface will be look like this. Now we have to click on this login option over here, and we have to enter admin as a username and the same as admin as password. Admin in the both section in small letters. After that, click on this login button, and it's asking you to save the password. Click on cancel, and over here it's want to ask you that to change the Wi-Fi password. No, I don't want to change the Wi-Fi password. Now what we have to do for reset, go to settings, go to the system options, and from there you have just choose on this restore defaults, and after that you have to click on this restore option, and it's asking you that your all the details will be erased and all the settings will be erased, and now you can't able to back up that settings. But we want to do reset, then click on this reset button, and it's taking few seconds or minutes, and after that your device will be reset. Now we have to just go to this option and click on this option button and click on this forgot for change the Wi-Fi password or reset the connection from there. And after that we have to just find out the uh, battery compartment of the device, and over there you will find a Wi-Fi password, and you have to enter that password for in future uses. Hope you understand that how you can change or reset the Airtel Wi-Fi password or reset the device if button is not working. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.